Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. It sounds a little surprising, but mid-20s is actually the age when you should start worrying about wrinkles and you should research on anti-aging creams. Because at this stage, the collagen starts to break down. Your 30s or 40s could be a little too late to start worrying about your wrinkles. So in today's video, I will share with you some anti-aging tips. So if you want to know what those tips are, then keep on watching this video. I'm sure a lot of you must already know about my first tip, and that is to maintain a healthy diet and to exercise. You should work out for at least 3 to 4 times a week and 45 minutes each time. It can be in any form: cardio, gym, yoga, aerobics, dance, walking, anything, but it should be there. You should work out at least 3 to 4 times a week. Other than that, it's also important to have a proper, maintained, healthy diet. It's very important for you to consume all the appropriate, necessary amount of minerals and vitamins that your body needs, and also your water consumption on a per day basis should be minimum without a doubt 2 liters, and it can go up to whatever you can. So 2 to 3 liters on a daily basis you should definitely have a water consumption. The next tip is to have a proper skincare regime, and you need to be regular with it. You should start with a cleansing, then exfoliating for 2 to 3 times a week. Then it should be followed by a lightweight gel-based eye cream that can help in reducing fine lines and puffiness. And then it should be followed with a nice hydrating cream which can help in giving some radiance to your face. You can choose to go for anti-wrinkle creams or anti-aging creams by brands like Olay or L'Oreal. The last step of your skincare routine depends on the time of the day that you are doing it at. If it's morning, then it should end with a sunscreen, and if it's a nighttime skincare routine, then you should probably apply a retinoid cream or an anti-wrinkle cream on your face. Make sure to add retinoid in your skincare routine in some way or the other. Either you should use a moisturizer which has retinoid as its main ingredient, or probably a serum, anything, but just make sure that you are applying retinoid on your face before sleeping during the nighttime skincare routine. As we get older, our skin loses collagen, which results in sagging skin. So unfortunately, what happens is when the skin sags, the makeup can sit on those areas, highlighting those imperfections and creating false wrinkles on your face. So it's very important to follow a certain kind of do's and don'ts for makeup when you're at that age, so that you know your wrinkles are not enhanced that much. Firstly, to prevent foundation from morphing into a roadmap of fine lines, you should always start with a really nice hydrating moisturizer, or probably a face oil if you have extremely dry skin, and then you should apply a layer of primer to create a smooth palette to work with. BB creams, tinted moisturizers work great for that stage of age. Also, another thing that you can do is avoid powder-based products like eyeshadows, bronzers, blushes, compact powders. Everything powder you should just avoid, because that sits and gets dried after some time. That will enhance your wrinkles, which we don't really want. So go for cream-based products, because that is more blendable and easily blendable. So for example, just use a cream blush or some cream eyeshadow or a stick eyeshadow. So avoid powder products on your face. So now I will tell you 2 homemade face masks which are really good for anti-aging purposes, and you can make them at home. It's totally natural and very easy. So the first face mask is called the rice mask, and that is the beauty secret of all the Japanese women. So all you need for this face mask is 3 tablespoons of rice, 1 tablespoon of lukewarm milk, and 1 tablespoon of honey. So alternatively, what you can do is, instead of using boiled rice like I did, you can use rice powder. So that will help you to create a perfect form of the face mask, and that can sit on the skin easily. So mix the paste well and apply it on the clean face, and this treatment should be done on a weekly basis to get the best results. So the next face mask includes only one thing, and that is banana. So this banana face mask is really beneficial for women and for the women's skin. Banana consists of zinc, magnesium and biotin, which is very good for the skin of women. Why? Because it helps to firm the sagging skin and also reduce the appearance of wrinkles. So all you have to do is just take half banana and just mash it very properly, or what you can do is you can blend it in a blender and just apply it onto your face and let it stay for like 15-20 minutes. So you can do this like as often as daily to get the best results, because the results are endless. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you found something helpful and these tips will be helpful to you. If you liked this video, do not forget to give me a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Leave your lovely comments below. I will definitely reply back to you, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.